Here is an example why I don't like to contact support if I can avoid it. I contact them, I said my problem is that one page is not displaying anymore in a rapid profit machine. The answer comes, yeah, tell me something totally unrelated to my problem. They just assume that I said something else, so they didn't even read or understood what I said. This is typical of support. You have to contact them, they reply something stupid just to get rid of you, and then you have to try again and re-say the same thing. Then what happens? They will stall you. So I say, please, I'm talking about the leads page. So I send images with exact place where to look for. I said, I gave you my RPM ID already, so you can check my account. This has nothing to do with what you said. So they say, thank you, I will, whatever, and I will get back to you. Okay? So then one day after, they say, oh, thank you for your patience, to be patient. They are looking, the developers are looking, and it works now. It works. So I say, no, it doesn't work anymore. Still the same. Okay? So after that, after I reply, two days later, they say, oh, we are too busy. Please do not contact us. Please allow for 48 hours for us to respond. They send me this copy and paste crap. I say nothing because I'm fed up with it. And then today, so it's about 1 week later, they say, oh, we have tested and now it works. And I reply, no, it doesn't work, still the same crap. So they say, oh, please, can you confirm your RPM username? The things I gave in the first message, and I repeated in the second message. So I send again, and now wait, and this is crap. That's why I don't like support. If I can avoid it, I do. Because it's so fun this way. If you don't have a simple question, often, I mean, my question is very simple, but they don't do the work. It means that for 10 days, they haven't looked at my account. They just stole. That's support for you. Bye bye.